So, Crumb Boss, what are you doing? You're preparing or you're unprepared?
Hey, I'm ready. Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here. We're ready.
You're ready to go?
Huge lineup today. Steph is rushing me to get going.
No, I'm not, because she was looking at herself in the mirror.
Hey, listen, that's what you got to do, right? Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss. So, Crumb Boss, looks like you got some Oreo stuff going on down here.
We love Oreos.
No, I love Oreos.
Yes, you do. America loves Oreos. It's America's favorite cookie.
Yes.
So I've learned.
Yes.
So I'm going to create a new dessert today. It's going to be called, what is it going to be called? I don't know. Oreo Cookies and Cream Cake. How about that?
Okay, Oreo Cookies and Cream Cake.
Yeah.
You're making an Oreo Cookies and Cream Cake?
Yeah. Little
Look, she's, just so you know, right now she's a little nervous, everybody.
I am?
Yeah, I could see it in your face, Gretchen.
No, I'm not. Well, why? Because I haven't done it before. We're going to do it right now.
Yeah, exactly. She hasn't made it. This is the ingredients down here. She's got all these little fancy things, everybody. But the reality is that she's never done it before.
Steph comes and she goes, okay, what are we making first? I said, I don't really know. I said, we're going to figure it out as we go.
Okay, slam it together. Let's slap it up, baby.
Well, here's the thing. My idea for this came from...
Steph's Oreo Cookie Cake Pops?
Well, that and just Oreo Cookie Turkeys that we did last week. They loved it. What else did we? Oreo Cheesecake. Like, all the Oreo stuff we did was great.
Yes.
But we also showed how to make whipped cream. And so I said, I want to show people how to make chocolate whipped cream, because I've had a couple of questions like how to make chocolate whipped cream, how to make mocha.
Yes.
So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, and then I'm going to proceed with my recipe with, it's going to be like a chocolate whipped cream Oreo cookies and cream cake.
Okay, cool.
So what I have here is just my giant bowl of whipped cream that I have already gone ahead and done.
That might be used for that special episode.
Was this the whisk that I used to whisk that whipped cream?
It's like the size of a giant bird cage.
Yeah, no, it is, right?
Yeah, look at the size of this thing.
This is, this goes out to one of our YouTube viewers. The screen name is, it's like Soa Pop or something like that. Comments on all our videos, really great comments. Asked me to show him the biggest whisk that we have in the bakery, and it's actually like half of the size of me.
Exactly.
So
look at the
that's
size.
the whisk.
And that goes around in a blender.
A bigger bowl
a mixer.
than this.
A bigger bowl than this.
The mixer sits on the floor in the bakery, and it's probably a 180-quart mixer bowl that takes that whisk.
Okay, good. So let's make something.
Yeah, I'm going to make some chocolate whipped cream, everybody. So basically what I'm going to do is take about... That's like maybe 6 cups of whipped cream right there. I'm eyeing this. I know you guys like exacts.
Because you have such pretty eyes.
Because I have a pretty good eye for measuring ingredients.
Yeah, you've only been doing it for 6 months.
Exactly. Yeah, 6 months. I know you guys like exacts, and I will put the exact recipes on the blog site. You're going to need how to make whipped cream with Crumb Boss. You're going to need chocolate ganache. And you're going to need the chocolate roulade cake, which is the same cake that we used for our Yule log that we decorated for Christmas. So you're going to need 4 recipes right here before you can even proceed to do.
Whipped cream, chocolate ganache, and roulade.
Yes, which is basically a chocolate cake that's just a thinner chocolate cake so that we can roll it up like jelly roll style.
Okay.
So as you see, I've baked it very thin here.
Yes.
All right. So what I'm going to do first is make chocolate whipped cream. So I've taken some regular whipped cream in this bowl, and I'm going to add to that some melted ganache.
Nice.
All right, and I'm just going to use my hand whisk. You guys could do this on a blender.
You don't want to take out the giant jumbo whisk?
Yeah, no, because I'm only making a small amount.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to whisk that together.
Okay.
And that's how simple it is. And that's chocolate whipped cream. So just add
Do you think you could actually lose weight in your arm from whisking all day?
No, I think I could get a shoulder injury from whisking all day, which is what I have.
And didn't you have carpal tunnel and surgery on both wrists?
So yeah, there is no good health benefit to this job.
Yes, except that the food tastes great.
Except for the joy that it brings me.
Yes, exactly.
Right? And I'll live forever.
All right, so chocolate ganache mixed with whipped cream makes chocolate whipped cream. Yes.
What we're going to do, I have some 5-inch ring molds here. This is 5-inch diameter ring molds. They're made out of metal. I've taken that as sort of using it as a cutter.
Yes.
And I've cut out my chocolate cake.
Okay.
Okay, and I've already done some of those.
Of course, because we are before right here, and we are after right here. Within seconds.
Yeah, and then you know what? What do you do with the excess cake crumbs, everybody?
Cake pops.
Cake pops.
Cake pops, yeah. Or you just toss them over that way.
Alright,
okay.
so I've taken my, this is an acetate strip. This is a food grade strip, which I've lined the inside of my mold with.
Okay.
Alright, and then I'm going to put these down in the bottom. That's going to be my base.
Where do you put the Oreo cookies in?
Oh, you wait.
Watch this, you guys.
Yeah,
this is the Crumb Boss. Yeah, she's baking away.
Yeah. Alright,
so the
since
cake
I've
is
never really
baked.
done this before,
yes.
gotta see how much time I got.
Yeah, okay. So you're on, you know, you got a little bit of time.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. So this is cool.
I'm going to put some chocolate whipped cream in my pastry bag because it helps when I'm doing desserts, especially individuals like this, to pipe this stuff in with a pastry bag rather than with a spoon or a spatula because it's a lot neater.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the same thing with my chocolate mousse.
She's filling up her pastry bags with the chocolate mousse.
Yeah.
Again, this is Oreo cookies and cream cake, correct?
Yeah, well, let's name it. It's Oreo cookies and cream cake. Yeah, pretty much that.
Oreo cookies. Why is it Oreo cookies and cream cake?
Well, it's whipped cream.
Oh, it's whipped cream.
Right?
Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. A little slow on that one.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah, cookies
All right,
and
so
cream.
what I'm going to do with my chocolate whipped cream is just pipe that into the bottom on top of the cake.
Okay. I'm going to have to take one of these home.
Ooh, I think so. I know, right?
Yeah.
All right, and then I have some crushed up Oreos in here already that I've ground up in the food processor.
Okay.
And I'm just going to pour those over top.
Nice.
You see, guys, like, I mean, I'm not really measuring. A lot of times I just go
Because you have good
with
eyesight.
it. Well, yeah, and we have so much of all of this stuff on hand at the bakery.
Yeah. It's
That
like a toy store.
yeah, like I could just grab what I need and I go. Mm-hmm. When I put the recipes on the blog site, you will have exacts.
Okay.
Now, so what I did, I put another layer of the chocolate cake there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm now going to put the chocolate mousse.
Nice. How can you not want to eat this?
Ooh, right? Ooh, it
Yeah.
just...
It just exploded.
Yeah,
It's
I know.
perfect.
Air bubbles.
Air bubbles stuck in my pastry bag.
All right, so
Nice.
there's that. I'm going to put another layer of the Oreo,
Okay.
just like that.
Very pretty.
And then what I'm going to just finish it off. This is almost like in the style of like a trifle or a parfait, you know, where
Okay.
everything's layered.
Yeah.
And then when we take these rings off, you're going to see through the clear acetate. And
Well, you hope you're going to see it.
Yeah, like we don't know what we're going to see.
What we're going to see.
So this is going to be the finished top of it. So I'm going to be a little bit neater when I do it.
Yeah. With your, okay, cool. I see a totally different design going
Right.
on. Yeah.
Just like that.
Okay.
Maybe sprinkle a little bit more Oreos on there.
A little bit more Oreos. Now, the big reveal will come when, of course, put it with the Oreo cookie.
On the top, right?
Yeah.
So what I would do, though, is I would chill this in the freezer for like about an hour, just so that it's all set. But I'm going to just show you what we'll have.
Ooh.
See how good that looks?
That looks cool.
Doesn't that look
That
really
looks
good?
really cool. So this is the Oreo cookies and cream cake made by the Crumb Boss. Again, ladies and gentlemen, chocolate roulade, chocolate mousse, whipped cream, and then you layer it. And please follow the directions so yours can look just like the Crumb Boss's and everything tastes
I
perfect.
didn't bring a serving plate with me, but that's why, you know,
Yeah.
you would want to put these in the freezer to have them set up first.
Yeah.
So that then you could transfer it to a serving dish. Then you could take off this acetate strip like that.
Ooh, okay, I like
that?
that. That looks awesome. Okay, let me keep filming. That looks really, really pretty. See, that's the whole thing, why we do Crumb Boss TV. Because everything looks beautiful, but everything tastes beautiful. So right now the Crumb Boss has disappeared, and oh, there she goes. She wants to get a plate, actually. She wants to transfer it. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, she's transferring it. You're seeing it live. Go to another plate. There you go, and here we are with the Crumb Boss.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Oh my God!
I could eat like this whole thing.
Okay.
So this was a 5-inch diameter ring mold. I'm going to give you the recipe so that you can make probably 2 of them, or just make it into a larger one cake. I'll give you the different yields and the recipes
Nice.
for it. But
it's absolutely beautiful.
this to me is single serving, man. I
Our
could eat this
single
whole
serving,
thing, right?
I go into sugar shock. It is. It looks really good. I'm hungry now,
That
but I
looks
can't
good.
eat it.
So there you have it, everybody. Oreo cookies and cream mousse cake with the Crumb Boss. Get your